Hello everyone, welcome back to Adepele's kitchen. How are you all? I'm so excited to show you today how I made this beautiful, lovely, moist, yummy chocolate snowman's cake. This is my first time of making a snowman's cake, I'm not gonna lie. And it was fun. And considering the fact that I rushed it because I was gonna surprise my colleagues at work with this, and it was not even planned. So it took me 3 hours to decorate this cake. So if I were to do it for a customer, I think I would have taken more time. So, but that notwithstanding, it's still a very beautiful cake. All right, and it's very tasty as well. So you can see I've cut off all the layers of each tier. There's about 2 layers in each tier, and there are 3 tiers. So I've cut off all the layers on each tier. I cut off the dome to make them flat. I now add sugar syrup to make it moist. So, because the cake is quite crumbly. Now I'm adding my buttercream, my chocolate buttercream on each layer. And I stack the cakes. After stacking it, you can see it's a bit wobbly, so I'll use but I didn't get that on the video. I didn't remember to record that, so I used a dowel. You can use a wooden or plastic dowel. I used a wooden one, inserted it in the middle to secure it. Okay, so that's why you can see it's no longer wobbly now. Then I put it in the fridge to firm it up, then brought it out back now to start carving, because for you to carve a cake, especially a moist cake, a fresh cake like that, you need it to be in the fridge for a while. Okay, so at least maybe an hour. So, but I only had 30 minutes with this one, so that's why I'm carving it a little bit slowly. I don't want to rush it. Bear in mind, I've never had to make a snowman's cake before, and so I'm just eyeballing everything. I'm not measuring nothing. So I cut it out, I carve it out. Then I've got my chocolate ganache. My ganache is ready, so even though it's not very thick right now, I forgot to put it in the fridge, but it's not too bad. I can work with it. So I just pour this ganache on this cake, and I use the scraper and my palette knife to smoothen the ganache on the cake. Okay, so this cake now is almost ready for the fondant. I'm just trying to make it smoother, so it'll be easier for the fondant to go on it. Now I'm rolling the fondant. I just dust the table with a little bit of icing sugar. Then I roll it with a big rolling pin, and I cut off the rough edges just to make it like a rectangle. Not a perfect one, but at least it can do what I want it to do today. Okay, so I then use the smaller rolling pin to roll the fondant so that I can transfer it to the cake on the board, on the laser Susan. Okay, so now the ganache is not 100% dry, so it's still a little bit sticky. It's not hard, so it's good for the job. So I just use my hands. I use my hands and the smoother to smoothen it. Okay, so I've done all the body. Now is the hat. So now I'll continue with the hat. I'm using the black fondant with the hat right now, and just smoothing it. Don't mind my fingers, guys. I didn't notice that the gloves had burst, so I got my fingers stained a little bit. That's alright. So I used the toothpick to secure the edges of the hat because they're a little bit bigger and thick, so I needed some support. So that's what the toothpicks were used for. And I used piping gel to glue that edge to the main hat. Now I'm sticking the eyes. And the mouth, the lip is going on. Yeah, I just wet it with a little bit of water and stick it on. I keep adjusting the edges of the hat again. Now that's the skewer I use for the fingers. They're just wooden skewers, and I attach a wire, floral wire, the one we use for sugar flowers. I just attach it and wind it around each skewer, then I cover it with fondant, the black fondant that makes the finger. Then this one you're looking at, this green one, that's for the scarf. I used the mold, that wavy mold. I used it and I cut them in 4 pieces, then to go around the neck as the scarf. I was so busy, guys, I didn't even notice that the glove had ripped, even though I've been changing it every time, so that's alright. Okay, so that's me sticking the finger in, and the other finger, oh sorry, the other hand as well. I'm sticking the hands in, but I noticed that the hands are a little bit too big. So guys, this is the hand. What do you think? When I'm putting the nose, I attach it with a toothpick as well. Uh, and the buttons are there as well. What do you think about the hands? Comment down below. I took them out later because I wasn't too happy about it. And I didn't have to use it because they didn't ask for any hands. So it didn't really matter. But I think it looks better without the hands. What do you think? Let me know. Comment down below. So that's my finished cake. And I really like this cake, honestly. It really tasted very nice. And I hope you enjoyed watching me make this cake as well. So it's time to cut this cake. It's so yummy. Oh, so that's me done, guys. Please subscribe to this channel and like my videos. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this yummy chocolate cake. Merry Christmas. Mm, 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 mm. You need to try this. Mm, look at it. So soft, so moist, so yummy. Mm, 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 mm. Merry Christmas. Mm. My beautiful snowman cake. Thank you guys. Bye.